Hello, in this video I will show you how to create images and videos using Google Gemini Artificial Intelligence. On August 26, 2025, Google announced that it upgraded Gemini's image generation capabilities, called Nano Banana, which will improve your creativity and productivity. How to create images and videos using Google Gemini Artificial Intelligence. First, let's create some images. Go to gemini.google.com. Start a new chat by clicking the pencil in the box icon in the upper left-hand corner. Then select 2.5 flash. Then go to the prompt box, click Tools, then click Create Images. You'll see a banana icon, and that represents Nano Banana, which is Google's image and video generation model. Click Create Images, and now in the prompt box you can describe your image using text. You can also add photos or other images to the prompt box and then modify it. And let me show you my chat that I did earlier. So I started off with a text prompt. Generate an image of Labradoodle smiling and the sky is blue, which created this image of a Labradoodle based on my text only. Then I wrote, add doves in the sky. Then I said, change doves to butterflies. But notice that it kept the Labradoodle the same. So the Labradoodle has consistently stayed the same, while the doves, the sky, the doves, and the butterflies changed. This is one of the features of Google's new upgrade to the image generation, is that you're able to maintain character consistency. You can also add images. So I uploaded an image of this bunny, and you can simply drag and drop into the prompt box the image. So I dragged and dropped this bunny image. You can also upload files. So if you click the plus sign, click upload files, then you can upload image files, or you can just drag and drop it into the prompt box. So I dragged this image of a bunny into the prompt box, then I wrote, incorporate this image of a bunny in the background seamlessly, make it look natural, it is in the grass. So the Labradoodle, again, is the same. We got the butterflies, and now we have a rabbit. So I wanted to make a video of this particular image. The way to do that is if you go to the image, there's a download icon in the upper right hand corner of the image. You're going to click download full size, and it will download it to your computer. In order to create a video, you go to Tools, and then if you say create videos with VO, it's going to tell you to create a new chat. So that's what I did. I created a new chat. So that's what I did. I created a new chat. The way to do that again is you click the pencil in the box icon in the upper left hand corner in the sidebar. And then what you do then is go into the prompt box, and you're going to click Tools and then Video. Tools, Video. And it says Create Videos with VO. And there's an icon to add photo. Now if you want to, you can just create a video purely with text prompts. So you can use a combination of text prompts or then photos. But here what I do was I uploaded into the prompt box, add photo, the picture of the dog with the butterflies and the rabbit. And I wrote, generate a video. Bunny is hopping left to right. Butterflies are hovering and flapping wings. Dog is smiling and wagging his tail. Now it takes about 2 minutes to think, and then we have this video here. And in the center of the video is a play option. And it will also actually have sounds. So the videos incorporate sound, and it did follow my instructions. My rabbit is going from left to right, the butterflies are flapping, and the dog has a wagging tail. Now if you want to download the video, go to the video, and in the upper right hand corner there is a download video icon. Click that and it will download it to your computer. Now let's go back to the chat with the images. And notice here I have the tools create image icon. So one of the features of Google's Gemini image generation model is that it can maintain character consistency. That means that you can change objects in the background and on the person, but that particular person will not change. So let me give you an example. So I uploaded an image of this woman, and then I wrote change shirt color to sky blue. And as you can see here, her face and her hair is the same, but it did change the color of the shirt. This is a major advancement because this allows for photo editing. So you can keep the picture of the person, but you can then change the shirt. So next thing that I did was, using the last image, change the background to the beach with blue skies. Keep the woman exactly the same. I noticed that her hair is a little bit different, but her face appears the same, and now you have the blue shirt, and then you have the background being the same. So because you have this character consistency, you can change shirt color, you can change the background, you can do editing. So what I'm going to do now in the rest of this video is I'm going to discuss Google Gemini and this particular advancement. So Google announced the release of Nano Banana, which is its image generation software, in this blog. Image editing in Gemini just got a major upgrade. So what are the major features of this upgrade? One is that it maintains your look as you edit. They call it native image editing, which means this. So in their particular example, you have the dog. You add a hat on the dog, then you put your dog on the beach. But the dog is the same. This is a major advancement because it allows you to change specific elements of a photo while maintaining other elements of the photo. In my past experience with image editing, it would not do that. So if in the past, the dog would change from image to image. So this is a major advancement. So let's look at their examples. So basically what they did here was they uploaded an image of this woman, and then using text, they made modifications. They made her into a Spanish bullfighter, a painter, 90s sitcom. You can also combine photos together. So they created an image of this woman and a dog. Now the woman is hugging the dog. And that's similar to what I did. I added a bunny to my Labradoodle image. So you can combine two photos together. Because you're able to maintain some parts consistent while changing other ones, you can say, basically you can do multi-turn editing. So here's a picture of a room. You can add a sofa, add a Persian rug, coffee table. So these are actually practical advancements. Added paint here. Mix up designs. You can actually combine, for example here, they combined the rose, I put the rose on the shoe, the butterfly pattern, they made it into a dress for the woman. So it's Google Gemini 2.5 Flash, and they're calling it Nano Banana. So if you hear people talking about Nano Banana, they're referring to the Gemini 2.0 Flash image generation model. Nano Banana, image editing. Combine photos. Also, one of the weaknesses of artificial intelligence image generation is the text. If you ask it to generate images, a lot of times you'll have misspelling of words. But here, Google Gemini has improved the text. Now, I also want to let you know about labs.google/experiments, Google Labs. Google Labs is available at labs.google./experiments. I'm going to put the link in the description box below, Google Labs. And they have a lot of different experimental projects going on, which are actually useful right now. For example, they have an artificial intelligence tool where you can generate portraits. They also have an image and video generation experiment called Whisk, which I've used in the past. And it actually does things similar to Nano Banana. But one thing I'll have to say about Nano Banana is very good at maintaining the character consistency. So I'm going to put the description box in the description box below. I'm going to put the web links of all the resources that I discuss here. Also to Google Labs, labs.google/experiments, where you can try out portraits and other tools. Whisk is also part of Google Labs.